Let's go. Hi guys, I'm here in Toledo right now, and it's 5. It's time 5:45. I'm the only one here. I'm the only one to go there on my sister's house, but it's far pa, no? But let's go, everyone. The crab. Ay, nako. And here, it's very nice, no? To see this kind of place ba, but in Cebu, guys, you don't see a lot of like this. Oh, they have sunrise there. I'm so tired. Let's go. I'm here, guys. Look, that is the house of my sister Rachel. It's so malayo pa, no? So it's okay. Laban lang, laban, alaksan. Laban lang, alaksan. It's very nice. It's nice, no? The palibot pa. Very nice place of my sister Rachel. There's a lot of tree. I like this kind of cabin. I'm coming. Hi. Hi. Wow, it's very nice. I like this place, guys. I hope I can buy this land. This land is for sale, guys. My sister's house, but this land is for sale.
Katong usad ka tita ba?
Tita.
Katong kuan ba tita?
Hi. You're so messy.
Hello.
Oh. Wow, sana all.
Now you are back now.
Hershey. Wow, how much is this money? How much this all? Sana all, guys.
21.
How much is there?
It's 21.
Oh.
What the?
Smell.
Boy?